Hello students, welcome to computer class. How are you? Hope you would be fit and fine and you would be staying at home. So students, today we are going to have practical session. We are going to revise how to turn on the system and turn off the system. And in between we will see that how we can insert CD in the CD drive. So let's start it. Now before starting we'll have a small quiz. Now you have to tell me the answer of this quiz. Name the part of the computer which is called the brain of the computer. Yes, can you guess the name? Now, do you know that we human beings have brains in our head which helps us to do all the work? Similarly, a computer system also have a brain, and it is in which part of the computer? I hope that you have guessed it. Now let's see it. It is the CPU. Yes. CPU is the brain of the computer system. Now let's move to our practical class. Now this is the activity, that is switch on the computer system. Then we are going to see how to insert CD or DVD in the CPU, and then we are going to switch off the computer system. First, we'll see how to turn on the computer. Next, now you know this is the computer system. These are the different parts of the computer system. What are the parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, and most important is CPU and UPS. UPS, it gives the power supply to the computer system. CPU, it is the brain of the computer. That means it supports, it helps all the computer parts to work properly. Monitor screen just looks like television. So we can see everything whatever we do in the computer system. Keyboard, how does it help? It helps in typing keys, right? Mouse helps us to click and select the different programs in it, right? So these are the computer system parts. Now let's see that step 1, we have to switch on the main power button, and then we have to switch on UPS button. So you can see there is a glowing light on UPS. So that is the button on UPS. You have to switch it on. And next you have to switch on CPU. There is a button on the CPU. And then you have to switch on the monitor button. There's a small button at the bottom of the monitor screen. You have to press that. And then you have to wait for a while. Yes. And then our computer system is ready to work. You can do anything you want. What can you do it? Yes, you can play games in it. You can watch movies, you can listen music, you can do the drawing, you can do typing, and many other things also you can do on the computer system. Now next we will see that how we can insert CD or DVD in the computer system. Now do you know that CD is in a round shape, and what it is used for? It is used to store many files in it. Yes. CD or DVD both looks like same. The difference is that DVD stores more files and programs in compared to CD. So CD, the shape of CD you can see in the picture, it is round in shape, right? And it is also having a shining structure at one side. And now we are going to see how to insert it on the CPU. Now you can see that this is a CPU. In a CPU, there is a button that is called eject button. What do we call? We call eject button. So what we have to do? We have to press the eject button. As we press it, the tray comes out. What is that tray used for? It is a CD tray. So as the CD tray comes out, we are going to put the CD inside it, right? The shining part would be at the bottom, right? And the written part, or if any, whatever is written, that would be on the top. And then what will you do? You are just going to push it slightly. You will push the CD tray, and the CD tray will get inside the CPU. And after then CD will start working. And if you are going to watch cartoon movies which is inside the CD, then it is ready and you can watch it on the monitor screen. So in this way we can insert CD and we can watch whatever content is inside the CD, and we can enjoy it, right? So now let's see how to turn off the computer system. But when our work is finished, then only we have to turn off the computer system. Whatever work you are doing, you have to finish that and then you have to turn off. So for turning off, what we'll do? We will go to the start button. And where is the start button? It is at the bottom of the monitor screen, right? It is at the left corner of the monitor screen. Like in the picture, you can see that there is a start button. And what will you do? You are going to click it with the help of the mouse. As you click it, you will get a white color rectangular menu comes out. And in that menu, we have an option shut down. Which option we have? We have an option of shut down. And then we are going to click on shut down option. Got it? And as we click shut down, so we have to wait for few minutes or seconds. The computer turns off. It takes some time. We have to wait for that. And as we wait, then the computer gets off. And then we will press monitor button. So our monitor gets closed. And then what we are going to press? We are going to press off the CPU button. We are going to press the UPS button, not the CPU button. CPU is already off when we press the shutdown. We are going to press UPS button. And then we are going to switch off main power button. So that is the last part when we are going to switch off the main power button. So students, we are not going to turn off the main power button directly. First, we have to, what we have to do? First, we have to press the start button, then shut down, and then we have to wait for a while. After then, what we'll do? We will turn off the monitor button and then UPS button, and then we are going to switch off the main power button. But you are not going to do it when you are alone. You have to always take one elder person with you, right? Because it works on electricity, so it may be risky to work. So you should be careful while doing this thing, and you should always do under the guidance of some elder person, right? So you have to take care of yourself, and then you can work comfortably on the computer system. So you have to practice this at your home. right? This is your homework that you have to do this activity, right? So take care. Bye, students.